Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of our universe. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you the fascinating stories and discoveries that are shaping our understanding of the cosmos. Today, we're going to explore a constellation in the Southern Hemisphere that's home to some truly remarkable celestial objects. Say hello to Tucana, the Tucanae. This charming constellation is a cinch to spot, and it's a treasure trove of astronomical delights. At its heart lies the small Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of our own Milky Way. This tiny galaxy is a mere 14 times farther away from us than the globular cluster 47 Tucanae, which just happens to be one of the brightest and most stunning clusters in the night sky. With millions of stars, 47 Tucanae is a breathtaking sight, and it's easily visible with the unaided eye. But that's not all. The small Magellanic Cloud is also home to another beautiful globular cluster, NGC 362. This cluster may be a bit dimmer than 47 Tucanae, but it's still a fantastic target for binoculars or small telescopes. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try to spot the Hubble Deep Field South, a region of space that's been imaged by the Hubble Space Telescope in exquisite detail. As we gaze out into the universe, we're reminded of the incredible beauty and complexity that surrounds us. From the majestic swirl of galaxies to the delicate dance of stars, every moment is an opportunity to explore, discover, and marvel at the wonders of the cosmos. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and time, we find ourselves at the forefront of a new era in astronomical discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, has been making waves in the scientific community with its unprecedented observations of the universe. From Jupiter's auroras to the most distant galaxy ever seen, Webb has been wowing us with its incredible capabilities. But what's even more exciting is that the telescope's popularity is on the rise, with a record-breaking number of proposals submitted for its fifth observation cycle. Over 2,900 proposals have been put forward, covering a broad range of topics including exoplanets, the solar system, stars and stellar populations, distant galaxies, and the early universe. The competition is fierce, with only 8% of submissions expected to be accepted, totaling around 8,000 hours of time on Webb. One of the key drivers behind this surge in interest is the telescope's ability to use spectroscopy, a technique that reveals the physics and chemistry of astronomical bodies. In fact, 77% of the requested time would utilize this powerful tool, allowing scientists to gain a deeper understanding of the universe. Some proposals are even part of the new long-term monitoring initiative, which enables studies that span multiple observing cycles. The proposed projects also highlight the importance of collaboration, with many joint proposals aiming to integrate Webb data with observations from other facilities like NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and the Tucana Large Millimeter-Submillimeter Array. The Telescope Allocation Committee will carefully evaluate these proposals, meeting in February 2026 to determine which ones will be selected. As we wait with bated breath for the results of Cycle 5, we're reminded that the James Webb Space Telescope is not just a tool for scientific discovery, but also a symbol of human curiosity and ingenuity. Its ability to inspire new generations of scientists and astronomers is unparalleled, and its contributions to our understanding of the universe will be felt for years to come. But that's not all. Recent discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope may have uncovered some of the universe's first generation of stars, known as Population 3 stars. These ancient stars could hold the key to understanding how galaxies formed in the early universe, and their discovery is a testament to the telescope's capabilities. We've also seen stunning images from Webb, such as the Rho-Ophiuchi molecular cloud complex, which is the closest star-forming region to our planet. The telescope's NIRCam instrument has captured breathtaking infrared images of this region, revealing the formation of new stars and planetary systems. As we continue to explore the universe with the James Webb Space Telescope, we're reminded that there's still so much to discover, so much to learn, and so much to marvel at. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've got one more exciting topic to dive into before we wrap up today's show. You might have heard about NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon by 2024. But what you might not know is that SpaceX has been working on a simplified moon landing architecture as part of this program. According to recent reports, SpaceX has proposed 2 possible options for a streamlined lunar mission. The first option involves launching an expendable Starship into orbit, which would then be refueled and sent to the moon. However, this approach goes against SpaceX's core philosophy of reusability, and it's unlikely that the company would pursue this path. The second option is even more intriguing. It involves using only SpaceX hardware, including the Crew Dragon spacecraft and the Starship lunar lander. Here's how it could work. An uncrewed Starship would be launched into low Earth orbit, followed by 2 depot variants of Starship that would be fueled in orbit. One of these depots would then fly out to low lunar orbit, where it would refuel the lunar Starship. A crew of 4 astronauts would launch on Crew Dragon, dock with the lunar Starship, and transfer to the spacecraft for the journey to the moon. While this approach might seem complicated, it could potentially simplify the lunar mission by reducing the number of refuelings required. However, NASA's safety community has raised concerns about the risks of refueling in lunar orbit with crew on board. As we explore the possibilities of space travel and lunar missions, it's clear that there are still many challenges to overcome. But with companies like SpaceX pushing the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect some exciting developments in the years to come. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.